Who you a fool for this? Who you a fool for this?
If you really ballin' for real, let's do it. These niggas ain't ballin' for real. Yeah. Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right.
Your gear didn't work. Where's my money? Let's go, baby. Oh. Does it have alky? A little bit. But there's a lot of fast bikes out here, so we're gonna have to see. But shit, wait till you find out.
I know you're bobbing your head, cause I can see. Yeah, I know you're bobbing your head, cause I can see. Yeah, I know you're bobbing your head, cause I can see. I can see. You can't see me. Back up in that ass once again with some of that nigga dash shit. Beating up on your eardrums with some of that G-funk, some of that gangster funk, some of that ghetto funk. Call it what you want. Just don't forget the G. You gotta get past him first. I said, know what people say. My money good. Don't worry about it. Money's good. Money good. Alright, so look, guys, we only got 6 bikes. So Ghetto is here, LAX is here, Lil Will, where's Lil Will? Right here. That's 3. Oh, y'all got 2, I forgot. That's 4. Criminals is 5. Ian. Hey, come here, bro. No elephant. Come rep your father. Get in here.
He's like, you're part of my crowd, man.
So that's 6. Those are the 6 bikes. To make it more interesting, are you guys okay? Up in the pot. Another $100. There's a yes.
Yes.
There's a yes.
Can we make it 3,000 each?
Shut up. Yes. So everybody down with it. So with the cards. Jockey, step forward. Jockey, step forward. Well, go see. All right. Give me your card, OD. Aces. Where the ace? Oh my God.
Out the way.
Right out the way. LAX Ghetto. Put that on your list.
Who got the other Joker? Joker. I was finna say, I got $100 say out of these two, they gonna win.
We're gonna do that at the finish line. I'm taking all bets at the finish line. I know who's gonna win that.
One of the two of them gonna win, it don't fucking matter.
Shit, we been waiting on this.
Joker. Joker, Joker, Joker.
Not over here. No, there's only one down there.
Right here. Let's get here on that spot. Get out here.
Your gear didn't work. Where's my money?
What? Who? Who? Hey, we got that?
I don't know. We're gonna keep mad.
Because it looked like I thought.
I think it picked up on it.
it.
Who got it, man? Oh, Ghetto won.
Hey, that shit look different down here.
What else? I bet 20. I bet somebody else 20.
Hey, so what happened?
Give him 100.
Got that motherfucker at the end. Everybody thought it was LAS for the win, but Cam for the motherfucking win.
Oh, yeah, what?
I was already talking shit. I saw that motherfucker creeping out. I was like,
They
broke.
El Valero, güey.
Oh, fuck. Your flywheel slipped? Yeah. We got another bike in this cool.
Damn.
Fuck it, though. Fuck. What
Nah, that's fine. The seal came off? It'll run.
What do you mean it will run?
It'll run.
Harley just tried to start it. It didn't start.
Oh, you're still. Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, it's all bad. Hey, at least you still won, though. I could help you. I just don't have no flywheel. I was gonna say you could go to the shop and get a seal, but I just don't have a flywheel. You gotta take the flywheel off, put the seal back on. I only got a flywheel puller. My shit broke a long time ago. That's the bearing that broke. Yeah. It's not the seal, it's the bearing inside the motor.
Yeah, see the firewalls.
Oh, that's doing too much. You gotta take the whole motor apart to do that.
It's a whole day.
The whole day, shit. You ain't got time. Good shit though, your shit moving. Straight up.
I'm into the bike.
Hey, yo, shit, the bearing seal popped.
Bro, my carburetor bugged out at the end. He got me like bug. I think that shit.
Man, you know what? Get this shit on video.
So it's the bearing or the seal?
Both? Boy, that's a bar.
I did a pass.
The flywheel seal blew up. The bearing popped. Can't run it no more.
But like they said, this bike was gonna probably most likely win since the other bike was out. But yeah, they blew the seal on the flywheel side and it is wobbling and not starting. So it's a chance they can blow the motor if they force it. But you feel me? That's the part of racing. But in my opinion, I think they was gonna win again. But you feel me? Things happen.